Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today we're standing in front of a 73 Firebird, but this baby's been transformed into a 72 TA. She's got the WD block, she's got the heads, she's got the manifold, she's got the intake, she's got the 4-speed, she's ready to go, guys. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get her up on the lift so you can look at the bottom. We'll take a look at that WD motor under the hood. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a good decision on your Firebird investment. So come on up and let's take a look. So look at this beautiful car. Man, this blue just pops. I love the bird on the hood, the stripes, the shaker hood. Now the nose is beautiful. It's got a couple tiny little faint cracks in it. Other than that, the paint on this car is amazing. I love the wheels and tires, the 17-inch. All the graphics look good. The gaps are nice and straight. Everything's polished up nice. These door jambs are gorgeous. Look at those lips. Man, those are beautiful. We'll show you that 4-speed here in a minute. The trim around the back window looks good. All the chrome back here looks awesome. The stripe on the deck lid looks great. That's what everybody wants to see, TA, man. We've even got a honeycomb wheel here in the trunk. Look how clean everything is. All the gutters look good. The paint on the bottom side of the deck lid looks great. The rubber's been replaced. Now look down the side of this baby. She is sexy, straight as an arrow. Doors operate nice, and look at that door. Man, that's beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we take the time to check these cars out before we buy them. We've got 165 cars in stock and we own each and every one of them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out the interior. Okay, the door panel looks great. We got just a tiny bit of wear here around the lock. The rest of the door panel looks fantastic. Carpeting looks great. The upholstery on the seats is in good shape. It's got an armrest has been added. There's that 4-speed shifter everybody's looking for. We got seat belts in the rear, and that back seat doesn't look like it was ever set in. The headliner's in good shape. Heck, even the shoulder belts are there. The dash pad itself is in good shape, and the dash itself is beautiful. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's take this 73 for a ride. This baby is sweet. You know, this is a tribute to a 72 455 HO. It's got that 72 block, the heads, the intake, the manifolds, everything. This baby is practically a 72 Trans Am. I mean, all these Firebirds, or all the Trans Ams started out as Firebirds anyway, so guess what? Somebody made a Trans Am out of this Firebird. The gearbox feels good. She's upshifting and downshifting nice. Get this thing in first gear and we'll go through the gears again. And that 455 is making power. It'll set you right back in the seat, man. The accelerator's definitely working. And look at that, she's going nice and straight down the road too, no hands on the wheel. Now down here on the dash, my speedo's working. I've got all the gauges from stock here. The radio looks like it's looks stock to me. And of course that 4-speed shifter, that's what everybody wants to see right there. That baby's a blast. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tommy answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Now, if you happen to get his message, leave him a message. He returns all of his calls. Oh darn, we get to go through the gears again. This baby is sweet, guys. Now we're right outside the Motor City, so if you're in town on business, which we just had a guy stop in today, in town on business, came on out to Vanguard, believe it or not, bought a car. Didn't even plan on buying a car. Walked in our door and just had to have it. We're selling a lot of cars right now, so make sure if you're in love with this one, you give us a call quick because this one's gonna be gone, guys. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. That Mustang's heading out to somebody's driveway today. Now stick around because we're gonna do something you don't often get to see. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside, and we'll get under the hood and check out that 454, making all that racket coming out of the tailpipes. All right, we're underneath our Trans Am Recreation now. Real sharp under here. It's got a big old sway bar, a newer exhaust system, 10-bolt rear end here. There is a right around a 331 gear, and it is Posi. Frame is solid as a rock. Floorboards look solid as a rock also. Pinch weld looks great. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. Look at these floorboards, they're gorgeous. Look all original to me. Now this is a 75 Trans in here with a cast bell housing. This 72 WD block up here, 455, all nice and clean. Now out back we've got drum brakes, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Up front here we do have disc brakes. Rotors are nice and smooth. Cross member looks good here. Looks like the bushings were more than likely replaced at one time. I definitely see new shiny ball joints. It's got a big sway bar here in the front. Core support looks nice. I mean, this car is hot, guys. Solid as a rock, big motor, 4-speed, beautiful car. Can't wait to show you the rest. Let's look at those wheels and tires. So these babies are sweet. These aftermarket honeycombs, beautiful. We've got Goodyear stickers on here. They actually look really good. 235 55 17s, and these babies are brand new. No rash on them whatsoever. Those wheel wells are nice and clean. She's gorgeous. Let's look in the rear. All right, out back we got the same size. We've got 235 55 17s. Again, no rash. These babies are brand new. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that horse. All right, under the hood here, there she is, 72 WD block. It's got the right intake on it. It's got the right exhaust manifolds, the correct headers. This thing's ready to go, and it is a blast to drive. You guys saw me out there driving it. Everything is nice and clean. It's got the shaker hood. Everything's beautiful on the car. Super rare motor setup in this baby. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.